Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. This step saves time later. On your phone, make sure it's powered, charged above 20%, and unlocked so you can tap freely. On the PC, install the appropriate Android USB driver for your phone model or the Google USB driver if you use ADB. Next, open Settings on the phone and tap Build number 7 times to reveal developer options. Once done, go back. Developer options will appear so you can continue with USB debugging. Now you enable the actual debugging feature. In Settings, find Developer Options, sometimes under System, then locate and toggle USB debugging on. You'll see a confirmation. Read it and tap Allow because this grants ADB access from the computer. Connect the phone to the PC using the original USB cable, and on the phone choose File Transfer or the option that mentions USB debugging. When the RSA authorization dialog appears, check Always Allow only if you trust the PC, then accept so ADB can communicate securely. Finish by verifying the connection from your PC. Open a terminal and run a DB devices. If you see your device with status device, you're done and can run commands. If it appears as unauthorized, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone and reconnect to prompt a fresh RSA approval. If nothing appears, make sure drivers installed correctly, change the cable or USB port, and restart the ADB server with a DB kill server, then a DB start server. That fixes most common issues. Try again after each change.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.